Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. I've got a couple of fun and simple spring glam home decor ideas for us today. So what you'll need is you'll need a picture frame from Dollar Tree. If you can find one in silver, that's great. I couldn't find one in silver, so I'm going to be spray painting mine. I have got some pillar stick gemstones here from Walmart, but you can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. You're going to need some mirrored wall decals from Dollar Tree. I have got some diamond wrap. I've also got some loose diamond gemstones, and these are from Walmart. You're going to need a candle holder from Dollar Tree. You're going to need a candle holder this size and this shape from Dollar Tree. You're also going to need some of this floral foam. It comes in a pack of 4 of these rectangles. Have some flowers on hand, or you can pick some up at Dollar Tree in whatever color you like. I'm using white. I've got some hot glue as well, and then I have the spray paint, of course, to spray paint the picture frame. And these are the items that we'll need to get the project completed. So let's get started. beautiful and so easy to make. So now let's go ahead and start playing around and decorating with them. Well, there you have it, guys. A simple, beautiful glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.